Interstate 80 is finally clear in the Sierra after this truck caused more than 12 hours of backup for drivers. You can see crews lifting the charred remains of an electric Tesla big rig here. The truck went off the road, slammed into a tree in Nyack this morning, causing it to catch fire. KCRA 3's Andres Valle was in Nyack when they finally removed that semi. He shows us the extent of the damage and why it took so long for crews to clean up the scene.
With those batteries, I guess they're just super hot. I mean, they were over 1,000 degrees when they're burning.
A 16-hour closure of I-80 now over after a Tesla big rig caught on fire following a crash early Monday morning, diverting traffic for hours.
Westbound I-80 is closed through traffic.
The Sacramento Fire giving us background on why the fire took so long to put out.
What can happen is something called thermal runaway, where it's basically a looped system electrically inside, and once that is broken in some way, either from a vehicle accident or from the fire, it becomes overpressurized and overheated, and then it can reignite on its own.
Exclusive video from Live Copter 3 overhead shows the extent of the damage. CHP officer Jason Lyman telling us it was a multi-agency effort.
I mean, we even had airdrops coming in with fire retardant and everything to make sure the fire didn't spread off into the forest.
KCRA 3 on scene the moment a hazmat team removed what was left of the semi from the side of the interstate. All what was left? The frame of the truck. Now, crews just put that burned Tesla semi onto this flatbed right here. You can see them wrapping a fire blanket just in case it reignites, but they'll be taking this Tesla semi all the way to Sparks, Nevada, where they have that Tesla facility.
CAL FIRE is going to follow the vehicle over at least to the state line. I'm not sure if they're going the whole way, but and just in case that something reignites.
Lyman now looking into new ways to handle a situation like this.
There's new technology, there's new things to learn, so I'm sure this will be brought up in some training and hopefully we'll be able to mitigate things a little better in the future.
Reporting Nyack, Andres Valle, KCRA 3 News.
CHP says the truck's driver walked away from the crash but still was taken to the hospital. The cause of the crash is still under investigation.